Good morning, Saugus. I'm Priscilla, and today is Tuesday, September 9th.
And I'm Cardan Watson. This is SNN.
In lieu of today's fact of the day, we'd like to announce the 2025 Homecoming King and Queen.
Congratulations to Kemper Arevalo for winning Homecoming King and Daisy Lemus for winning Homecoming Queen.
Congrats again. Stand for the flag salute.
Please.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Juniors, Saugus will be administering this PSAT on October 13th from 8 to 11:30. This test serves as a practice for the SAT and is the qualifying exam for the National Merit Scholarship Program. If you are interested, please sign up and pay at the ASB office by this Friday, September 12th. Spots are limited. If you have any questions, please contact your counselor.
Seniors, you can now submit photos and videos to this year's 2026 Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures or videos can be submitted to our email or the SNN Instagram listed below. This includes photos and videos from any football games and this past homecoming weekend.
Now let's go to Jared Diaz with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. My name is Jared Diaz and I'm here with this week's ASB Minute. I hope you all enjoyed homecoming last week and had a great time at the rally. Congratulations again to our homecoming senior Queen Daisy Lemus and King Kemper Arevalo. Also, a big shout out to the junior class for winning the homecoming float competition and to the seniors for winning the rally. Our annual blood drive is coming up on September 23rd at the Saugus Gym from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. To donate, you must be at least 16 years old, weigh 110 pounds, and make an appointment at ucedonor.com. Don't forget to also pick up a parental consent form in the ASB office. Every donor will receive a gift card, but the first 20 donors will receive 2 gift cards. If you have any questions, please ask an ASB representative or refer to the website. This Friday, head down to the stage for our next brunch time activity, arm wrestling. Challenge your friends, show your strength, and see who takes the win. That's all from me, Sense. Now, let's go to Preston and Trevino with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Jared. Good morning. I'm Preston Trevino with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, girls volleyball plays West Ranch at West Ranch. Frost and JV play at 3:30 and varsity plays at 5. Varsity girls golf plays Alamy at Encino Golf Course at 3:30. Also today, girls tennis plays Valencia, varsity plays at Valencia, and JV plays at Saugus. Both games start at 3. Tomorrow, girls flag football plays Canyon at 3:30. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. That's all from me. Now let's go to Chef Taylor Dearston with another edition of our segment, Cooking with Salads, Mediterranean Salad.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Taylor Deerster reporting for SNN. For today's episode of Cooking with SNN, we are going to make my mom's Mediterranean protein salad. Let's get started. The first step to making this wonderful salad is to first wash our hands. Now that our hands are clean, let's start getting out the ingredients. First, we'll need freshly diced sweet peppers, freshly diced cucumbers, juice of half a lemon, olive oil, chickpeas, cracked black pepper, cooked quinoa, a pinch of salt, crumbled feta, chopped fresh parsley, chopped fresh mint, dried cranberries, pepitas, and your protein of choice. Today, we're using chicken. Now that we're done, we can enjoy this lovely Mediterranean high-protein salad. I'm Taylor Deerstead, reporting for SNN. Let's go back to our anchors.
Thanks, Taylor. Tell your mom I said thanks.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. All presentations will take place in room Q 1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in room Q 1715. Spots are limited. The next guest speaker will be next Monday from Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Science.
The CCR Department's annual College and Career Fair will be taking place at Valencia High School on September 15th from 5 to 8 p.m. All Hart District students are welcome to attend. That's all for today. I'm Priscilla. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Cardan Watson. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.